OMG. Woo! Vegan shepherd's pie. What you will need to make it is 7 rustic potatoes. So I want to show you how to cut the potatoes. So what you're pretty much going to do is take your potatoes, cut it in half. So you take your potatoes, they're going to be like that, and just cut them. Just like that, just like that, just like that, into cubes. All right, my healthy people, once you've cut up all your potatoes, you're gonna get your pot. I have my oven being preheated at 400 degrees, and I'm just gonna take my potatoes and I'm gonna put them all in the pot. Once you put your potatoes in a pot, you add some water, and then you can go ahead and add some salt. And you guys know I'm using Himalayan salt. So I'm going to add some salt just to salt the water. So we're going to leave the potatoes on the stovetop to boil until they are soft. So let's check on our potatoes. You've got to stick a fork in it. And if the fork goes all the way through, like that, then you know your potatoes are cooked. And we can take these off. Let's get ready to assemble our shepherd's pie. I have here a potato masher. I'm going to add 1/8 teaspoons of milk, 1/8 teaspoon of butter. This is the vegan butter. A pinch of white pepper, onion powder. Let's mash. All right, my healthy people. So because I have no patience, because I am not a doctor, I'm just going to use my handheld mixer to make it nice and smooth. All right, so as you may see, we have that consistency that we're looking for, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt to this, and please just salt to taste. Perfect. So let me taste. Good. I have some Beyond Meat sausages, and it's about 4. This is the hot spicy one. Yummy. 1 onion all cut up, 2 cups of mixed vegetables, and I also have an array of spices here. Everything that you're gonna need for this recipe will be in the description box. 1/2 cup of vegetable broth. So let's get started and start making our shepherd's pie, vegan of course. 1 teaspoon of oil, just like that. That's about a teaspoon. Eyeball. Add my onions. Minced garlic. Now, guys, I really wish that I had fresh garlic, but I actually don't. But if you do, please feel free to use it. I'm going to add my vegan sausages. With these vegan sausages, you do have to break them up. I had to take a potato masher and kind of like, you know, mash this out to get it to the consistency that I wanted it to be. I'm cooking it on low heat so that my onions will not burn. If you don't want to use these sausages, you can also go ahead and use lentils as well. That will work just the same. I had some mushrooms and I really didn't want it to go bad, so I'm just adding it to it. I'm going to say it's about 3 cups if I had to measure it. This is completely optional, so I'm just gonna add it to it. Tamari sauce, vegetable broth, I'm just gonna add that to it. Veggies, I have 1 teaspoon of tapioca starch. I'm just gonna add that in as well. Gonna mix everything together. Looks really pretty, right? Hey, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's absolutely free. Delicious meals, weight loss tips. So I'm just gonna cover this up and let it cook for about 10 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, my healthy people, now I'm just going to go ahead and add this stuff inside my plate. That. Doesn't it look so good? Yummy. If you like what you see so far, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget that my oven is being preheated at 400 degrees. I'm just gonna go ahead and level it off like that. See that? Simple, easy. The entire family will love it. Then you're gonna get your fork, and then you're just gonna like that all the way across. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead, put it in the oven for 25 minutes at 400 degrees, and then we'll be back. Woo! Just removed it from the oven. It is pretty hot, as you may see. It is still sizzling. You see the little crispy bits on top. I'm gonna let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna dig right in. My shepherd's pie, it's been cooling for about 20 minutes. Oh my God, Maxine's Corner, you have done it again. Ooh, ooh, woo, look at that. Ooh, woo, oh my goodness, woo. Oh my God. Oh, where's my plate? Woo. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let me taste. Look at the potatoes. Oh my God. This is absolutely delicious. I'm gonna enjoy it right now. I have to take another bite. It's so good. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner, guys. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to make this for your entire family. And I'll see you guys next time. And what? Stay healthy.